Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
It's going. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one from Japan. This came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Nissin Raoh with their Yuzu Shio ramen, and you get to watch it boil. What do you say about that? Doesn't that sound like fun? Sure it does. You don't have anything better to do. So yeah, I did the unboxing for this, 2 days ago now? And this will be the third one out of the box, I think. Yeah. Which kind of tempts me to do the rest of them and then do the video for the unboxing, but we'll see. I think maybe I'll try to spend some time this weekend and get a bunch of my unboxing videos done. Wow, look at that. It's got a funny bubble. But yeah, it's a nice day. It doesn't know what it wants to do. But other than that, in the news, Trump, Biden, they're gonna do a debate. I wonder how that went. By now, they've had both the debates, huh? Wow. How is it? There was a big thing in Congress, like a subcommittee last night, or oversight committee. And Marjorie Taylor Greene, yelled at some lady and said she had fake eyelashes. It's just, oh my God. Dude. Our government is run by high schoolers. No joke. It's jacked up. It's all your fault, too. You guys keep electing them. We should have, we should get computers to run the world. Really cocky, but humorous computers. And then they'll get everything done, and it'll be good. Maybe? I don't know. I will say this. I love AI. I want to get a t-shirt that says I heart AI. Because you know what? When it comes right down to it, there's that whole argument that AI is taking food out of the mouths of starving artists. But you know what? I use it for stuff that I do every day. And would I employ an artist to do it? No, I'm the one doing it. I would be doing it anyways. It saves me time, and it does things in a way exactly the way I want it. So would I be giving money to somebody? No. There is no revenue stream that's being broken by me using AI generated generative fill in Adobe Photoshop. No, there's none of that. And actually, you might have noticed now in the beginning it has a blurb about supporting me on Patreon, which, if you want to do that, I'd really appreciate it. If you don't, then that's really not kind. It's cheap. I think you can do it for $1 a month. And then you can feel good about yourself despite everything else you do. But anyway, yeah, so that voice, I always hear these videos with these horrible voices that are done up on TikTok and this and that. So I used the most horrible female voice that I could find. And it's oh, this is the voice everybody else used. Everybody likes to have a sandwich, So I used that voice for it. I'm sorry if it's annoying, They've got the one voice that kind of sounds like, what's his name? I don't know, but they have them. It's just like, I like to use my own voice mostly, but I thought it would be kind of neat to do it that way, so I did. Yeah. Okay, here's the Yuzu Shio. Oh, good. The broth is going to have some color to it other than clear. See, I like Shio. I like Sapporo Ichiban makes a wicked little Shio. In fact, that's the background from the Ramen Raider logo, if you didn't know, which I think I say that like once every 6 months or less. So... it smells like there should be salmon in here. But I've no salmon. But it kind of is that lemon Shio or citrusy Shio kind of scent makes me think of salmon. But it's Raoh, and Raoh usually means excellent noodles and really neato broth. So let's give it a go. Itadakimasu. Whoa. Okay, here comes the broth. Very, very clear broth. No, see, I will say it is so-so. The noodle's great, don't get me wrong, but the flavor, I think that's just one of those flavors I'm not able to truly appreciate, which bums me out because I want to be able to have an appreciation of all flavors. I mean, I get why people like it. It's very muted, it's very soft, it's very mellow, but I don't know, I like tonkatsu. Of course, that's like, oh, well, all Westerners like tonkatsu. But I like other stuff. I like a lot of stuff. This is just, I don't know. I just don't like yuzu. It's such a popular thing too. It's like you can go to so many places like, oh, we have bagels with a little bit of yuzu on the bagel. Really? Why? Oh yeah, they're over there. If you want to try them, they're right next to the matcha bagels. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm not a hipster when it comes to like certain flavors like that. It's just like, no thanks. Don't make me yuzu matcha Kit Kats or... That's one thing I'll tell you right off the bat. I am not into all the weird flavors of Kit Kats. It just doesn't make me go, ooh. Ow, come on. Come on, ow. Get where you need to be. You're not in the spot where I want you to be at. Here, let's just go like that. And then you'll be happy. At least make me happy on this. Come on. There, yeah, that's a little better. We'll see how that goes. Hey. Okay. At least the eggs are kind of staying where I want them to be. I want them to be there and kind of chilling in that spot. And that makes me happy. But I got Naritamaki. That's a good start. If it'll do that. Come on, let go. Do your thing. Let's do that right there. And we're going to use a smattering. How's that? That's not bad. And then we're gonna do a little bit of, what do you call it? Sesame seed. Let's let it coexist with the other things in the mix there. And then we're gonna add in something that I discovered basically because I asked the company to send me some. Crap. There we are. Ladies and gentlemen, the spoon of spoons. Thank you to the Reverend Dick Kazinia for sending this all the way from the UK. This is a magical spoon that allows you to stir from the bottom the wonderful love sludge. Kari Kari Chili Crisp. It is really good. I'm going to use a bunch of it too. There you go. Man, that stuff is the bomb. It is not a bomb that's to be worried about, but one to be embraced. You should all embrace the bomb. Isn't that a horrible thing? Well, it's going to rotate. You can watch that. Well, that's it for me for today. I hope you have a good weekend if it's your Friday. And that's it for me. And I am done with you. So, yeah, do the Patreon thing. That's kind. And I'll be around. You'll see more episodes soon. Most likely tomorrow. And yeah, wow, it's September for you. It's still mid-May for me. Anyway, it's been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.